Welcome back, everybody. You know, Wednesday from July 11th through August the 29th, Peace-Filled Mental Health will hold a life skills workshop for teens. And joining us with all the details of what you can expect, we have the founder, Keisha Sando.
Sando.
There you go. Well, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
First
I'm
time?
glad to be here. Yes, it is
Let's
my first
get a
time.
first time, everybody. All right. What can you tell us about what you do?
So, first of all, I'm a licensed mental health counselor, and I have a group practice. So,
Let me stand up straight now.
Peaceful Mental Health Counseling Services is a group practice. It's based out of downtown Brooklyn, but we do serve people in all of the boroughs. So, Manhattan, the Bronx, Queens, Staten Island. And the main thing that we do is we provide hope for individuals that are coming to receive our services.
Who are these people?
So
the people from the community or people coming from different organizations?
Yes. So the people that we serve would be people that are coming in through health insurances. We also work with nonprofit organizations. We work a lot with the foster care system. So we work with a lot of children, adolescents, as well as parents. So we do a lot of parenting training. And then we also work with organizations to go out into their location to provide different groups and workshops.
Oh, good, good. So you make house calls, too.
Yes, we do. We actually do in-home therapy as well.
Oh, wonderful. When did you guys get started?
So we started in 2011. And so that's when we actually founded the practice. But within the last couple of years, we really started getting more into the groups and the workshops. So we're excited about those things.
What made you want to get involved in this?
In the groups
what you're doing?
Well, the thing is, there's a lot of people that you probably come in contact with that have various mental health concerns, whether it's just depression, anxiety. We see people that have a diagnosis with schizophrenia. We have a lot of people that come in with relationship issues. And honestly, those are the reasons why we came in to provide this service for the community, because we see that a lot of people with those issues, they feel like they're alone. They feel like there is no hope. And for me, the basis, like I said, out of my name is peace-filled. And what we really mean is that we want to fill people's mind with peace. There's a lot of things that are happening in the world that brings about a lot of confusion.
Oh, yes.
A lot of people experience various trauma. So actually, that's one of our specialties, working with individuals that have experienced some sort of trauma. And so that's the reason why we got started, so that we can provide hope to those people.
Yeah, you know, there's probably tons of people out there who really don't want to step up to the plate.
Exactly.
So you guys have that outreach. There's that stigma involved.
Exactly.
I don't want to let anybody know that I have a problem. I can't. I don't want them to see me get involved in this.
Right.
What do you tell those people? How do you make them feel comfortable?
So the first thing is that we tell them that you're not alone. A lot of times people feel that they are the only one that's going through that situation. And so we just kind of normalize it and let them know that they're not alone and that there are people that...
You know what I want to do? I want you to break it down, and I'm going to give you this camera. This camera is one of my best friends.
Okay.
We're all friends.
Okay.
It's a family affair thing. But tell that person on an intimate level how you feel and how they should, let them know how you can help.
Okay. So what I want to say to you is that no matter what situation you're going through, no matter if you think it's too difficult, no matter if you think that you're the only person that's going through it, there is still help, and that there is hope for you. And at Peaceful Mental Health Counseling Services, that's the reason why we're here. We're here for you, to guide you through that process, to direct you along that process, and to give you another way of thinking. Part of what we believe is that if you change your perspective, you change your life. So if you come into receiving our services, we'll help you to change that perspective so that your life can change. And
it's okay. Everything's personal. Everything's confidential.
Exactly.
Yes. So they can also come to the program you're getting ready to have.
Exactly. Yeah, we're really excited about that. So this program is called SQUAD. And the
SQUAD?
SQUAD. So it's SQUAD. And basically what it means, or what it stands for, is showing quality, unbiased, affirmative direction.
Say it again.
Showing quality, unbiased, affirmative direction. So that's what we're all about.
Squad.
And so this particular group is specifically for adolescent girls. So it's for the ages of 12 to 18. And the reason why we started this group is because through our practice, we see a lot of this age group coming in for a lot of different things, such as self-esteem issues, relationship issues, like I mentioned before, the trauma piece, bullying. A lot of the girls are having issues communicating with their parents. So in that group, we actually provide, again, that support, that hope for them, and we give them a safe, I guess you can say, like a safe space, really, for them to be able to express themselves, and again, so they can see that they're not alone. And then we work through teaching them strategies and techniques on how to deal with those issues. So mainly building coping skills.
And that's the adolescent stage.
Yes,
too.
yes, that's a difficult stage. Yes.
Tell me about it. I raised three children through that stage, and they always come back. They have gotten it when they come back and say, "Hey, Dad, I remember what you said when you did you know what, Dad, you were right."
Right. Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
true.
I appreciate you. Then you get the meltdown and come. But it's a tough stage, the adult, because they want to be an adult, but they not ready yet.
Exactly. They want to be independent.
They want, they want to be. And with the mistake that a lot of parents, not a lot, but some parents make is that they say, "What, you want to be on your own? You want to be an adult? Then get the heck out."
Right, and they need that support at that time.
That's one of the most important steps right there, the adolescent stage.
Right.
You've been through it, right? You've been through it, and a lot of you have been through it, and you've been through it. And you just have to stick with them every step of the way.
Exactly.
So I'm glad you're giving those services.
Yeah, thank you.
And maybe we should include the parent also.
Actually, I'm glad you mentioned that, because the squad group is just one of the groups that we offer during, specifically during the summertime. But what we're also doing is we're providing those groups and workshops on a variety of topics, and one of them is called Communicating with Parents. So
see it through fruition.
Right.
Take
that
child every step of the way. Take them on to where it needs
what
to
we
go.
found is that when you incorporate every part of the team, specifically the parents, and even give them guidance on how to help their children to maybe manage their behaviors, or even to cope with certain stressors in their lives, then it actually help them to be more successful.
Wow.
Yeah, so we like the fact that we're able to do that.
Yeah. So you take this circle and complete that circle, because if it's broken anywhere in there,
Exactly.
you need to connect it.
Yes, we have to pull it together.
Yeah. So do you have any other programs that we need to know about?
So in addition to the Communicating with Parents, we also offer a group called Bullying. We also offer another group, Loving Yourself. And what we're doing with those groups is we're going out to the schools, we're going out to different organizations in the community, and we offer those there. So if anybody's interested in us actually coming out to their location, we will provide those as well.
And you're going to be talking about it at the event that you're having also?
Yes, we will.
So all of those things will be under one roof?
Yes.
That includes cyberbullying also?
Every part of bullying, every part. Cyberbullying, the social media is a really big thing right now.
Yeah, because some teens are committing suicide, and sometimes they live on and it's cyberbullying or something that's happening.
And unfortunately, the numbers are increasing. So that's why we're actually, instead of just having people come to our location to receive those services or to get the information on how to deal with it, we're actually offering the service where we come out to the various boroughs and provide those services.
There you go. Making the house call. Just got to be out there on location, showing them every step of the way. Well, thank you so much. Where can we go for more information on what you're doing?
So you can actually go to the website, www.peacefieldcs.com, and you can get more information there.
And you work with a lot of the girls. Give a little message to the girls before we leave.
So for anyone that's interested in joining our group, you have a lot of fun during this this summer. We're actually going to be incorporating various activities. We'll do some role plays. We're going to be giving out different items, fun items that girls love, and we'll be doing some role plays as well. It's going to be an exciting time, but you'll also learn a lot and really build some coping skills.
All right, thank you so much. Get your crew to clap. Keisha Sando, M.A., LMHC, founder, Peace-Filled Mental Health. Thank you so much for coming by.
Thank you so much. I really
appreciate it. Thank you for sharing all that great information.
Thank you.
We have to take a quick break right here, but stand by. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with more Open next.